Hi friends, I am one among you. 8 ways to know you are a great leader. Leadership is not a word, it is inspiration, which shows the passion you have in your work. It is the backbone which enables a group of people or an organization to lead forward. Leadership can also be learned by practice, irrespective of qualification and educational merit. It is easy to take confidential responsibility and challenging failure if you follow these 8 ways. Small business entrepreneurs, a company's top executive, a political leader, a high ranking government official, or an organization leader, these qualities will shape you to meet the responsibilities and challenges. Are you a magnet for high potential people? Magnetic leaders are the one who attracts the potential people to work for them. Despite ordeals, smart people stay with the leaders who create a room for learning and develop other passionate leaders. Are you having the most fun of your life? Great leaders don't guard always and expect optimized work unless they believe and make them work in relaxed environment. In case of any misstep, great leaders always learn from it and move on, which creates live a happy environment around them. Do you live the values at all times? Time is valuable for increased productivity. Efficient documents can boost your workers' morale and overcome everyday pressures. So minimize your work by knowing the values of documentation. It will be a great tool in confused circumstances. Do you continually invest in higher trust? Success is built on relationships between leader and employees. Ability to work more effectively as a team is trust. Trust should not be created, it should be earned. They should feel comfortable that you are on their side, which results in sharing their own creative ideas and feelings. Do you readily admit mistakes? We all make mistakes. Nobody is perfect is a familiar saying. Be courageous in admitting mistakes and face the consequences. Mistakes and lessons learned are like the two sides of same coin. Make sure your decision making ability does not get affected by just a wrong decision that you have taken. Avoiding ways to deflect culpability. Increase your respect accepting blame when you deserve it. It will showcase your maturity and responsibility. Do you listen deeply? Listening is critical skill that defines leadership. Active listening skill only can be refined through social interaction. It also paves way to mutual understanding. Listening to the ideas and then reflecting shows you are flexible. If your words going out are around 30% of what is coming in, then you are probably in good shape. Good leaders deserve it. Do you build a truly genuine reinforcing culture? Good leaders recognize employees. Great leaders appreciate them. Expressing gratitude sincerely is very important mark for a good leadership. Appreciating the effort in company while meetings and rewarding them is the highest form of gratitude. Do you hold people accountable the right way? The positive results of accountability from the employees include improved performance, better involvement, and participation. When you make people accountable for their actions, you are effectively teaching them to value their work. It also increases your team members' skill and confidence. People don't quit jobs, they quit bosses. By inculcating these 8 ways will not show only that you are accountable and transparent leader, but will inspire others to take responsibility for their share of actions. If this information boosts your driving force of your search, subscribe, like and share.